welcome to my channel, and I'm Yu here. And by the way, my name is Jess, and I'm from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. But for this vlog, we are going to Mag-Asopol. What things that you need to prepare before going here para less stress, less lahat-lahat, para ma-enjoy nyo yung vacation nyo. Na-enjoy ko actually dahil may hindi inaasang nangyari, and also may mga bagay din na nangyari dahil sinubukan ko and pinursu ko.
Hours later. Meanwhile, eventually, one eternity later.
We already here in Dunkin' Donuts. Actually, pumunta na kami ng different places. Medyo basa nga kami. We go to the market. Supposedly, dapat nandun na kami sa Mag-Aso Falls. However, medyo late na yung travel namin. That's why we decided to stay here in the proper, and we will find hotels here or rooms that we can stay here for at least 12 hours, and we can take a bath or maligo because medyo basa kami dahil medyo umuulan dito sa Cabancalan City. So good morning guys. So this is our OOTD for today. So naka-short na tayo, sweaters, and naka-sleeper. It's already 9:30 a.m. here, and we're still in Dunkin' Donuts. Syempre nasa Kabangkalan pa rin tayo to buy iced coffee to start our day, and hindi rin kami tumuloy sa Mag-Aso Falls due to heavy rain and safety na din. Siyempre, uunahin na lang natin yung safety natin compare sa, time din para tayong makapag-explore or makapunta doon. But, what we're going to do, mag-breakfast muna tayo and to try some foods here. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa hotel. So, kakabalik lang natin from Moika's restaurant or Moika's Italian restaurant. Food is very nice. We ordered bolognese and chicken pesto, and then creamy spinach pizza. Yun, you should try pizza as well dahil sobrang masarap siya. Worth it naman yung price guys. Tapos hindi naman siya actually tinipid. So that's why na mahal siya. You should try if you go here in Kabangkalan. And then let's see if what else we can try here or ano pang magagawa natin for the next days. dahil mag-weekend na. So Aaron will mauna na siyang umuwi, and then I think I will stay here until Sunday. So let's see if ano pang makikita natin, or baka makakapunta tayo sa Mag-Asa Falls. So medyo okay naman yung weather ngayon, and hindi na siya umuulan.
The next day.
Mag-aso, no? Guys, we're going down para makita natin yung buong falls. Maganda siya, and worth din yung bayad for entrance fee. Kasi yung entrance fee natin is 50 pesos lang naman. And they very well maintained. Let's watch. So, hi guys! So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa gilid ng pool. And these are the cottages as well na makikita natin here. Those are the cottages which is cost 200 pesos. Pero hindi ako kumuha. Tumambay lang ako ng saglit and nagpa-picture. And then, yan, naglagay lang ako ng gamit. And then, aalis din ako mamaya para hindi tayo makabayad. And to save din, after kong lumabas sa CR, someone approached me and asked me din kung vlogger ba ako or what. At sabi ko, actually, hindi ko alam kung anong sasagot ko. And then, sinabi ko na lang na, actually, I'm trying to feel fun naman. And this, if ever na i-upload ko to, this is actually my first vlog. And then, nahiya na din ako mag-usap sa kanila. And then, wala. Ginawa ko na lang is picture na lang ako sa gilid para hindi ako mahiya. And just actually ako lang yung mag-isa, so kaya nahihiya ako. And then, I hope na hindi ito ang una at huli na magsusolid travel tayo. Sana masanay tayo, and at the same time, makakilala at makausap din natin yung mga iba't ibang tao sa resort na ito. So hopefully hindi ako magka-anxiety. So, after natin makapag-picture sa tabi ng pool and makapag-video na din, let's tour naman dito sa taas, which is may cottage din. And it costs, ganito ang cottage pala guys, 400 pesos. And this one, sa gilid nito is may pool. Wow! View from the top. And I'll show you kung ano kaganda. I think there is another resort there. Dami nakikita ako. And sa other side naman guys, is makikita natin is yung pool side. The cottages and the entrance is there. Ayun nga guys. So this is the second part, third part. Basta nasa taas. And here. As in, sobrang ganda. I can also check if meron pa sa taas. Oh, it's a Wilfredo's campsite. So 15 pesos lang naman ang bayad doon sa taas. So let's try siguro now. And then mamaya na tayo bababa. And pagpipicture doon sa pinakababa. Kung saan tayo nag-film ng first video natin. So saan ba pwede tayong magbayad dito? This is actually the place that I want to visit as well. Tao po. These are the CRs nila. And the place. Pagbalay. Din kami pwede kabayad. Din ko pwede kabayad. Dara. Ah, sige. Yung aga. Yung aga. Good morning. Oo. Let's see. Ah, hindi pa ayos yung pool. So, dito tayo maglalagay siguro ng gamit. Maliligo lang tayo. Very quick. Dahil hindi na naman tayo kakain. Or if ever man nakakain tayo, bibili na lang tayo ng mga pagkain from them. From their source. So guys, pababa na tayo from Wilfredo. So babalik tayo ulit sa Mag-aso. So same lang din na daan. Actually hindi ko na-film yung 2 hours ko. And those 2 hours, ang ginawa ko is mag-talk lang sa ibang local. And you know, to have a social life most of the time. Wala naman akong kausap dahil nga work from home and masama din ang ugali ko.
Magsasalita ako lahat ang masama, ikaw ang mabuti, ha? Sa lagay na yan, ikaw ang mabuti!
Leg day nga taki today. Ouch! Ah! Sakit sa tuhod. Dito na lang siguro akong picture. So guys, the stop here is very good dahil nag-asa ko na iiwan ko na lang yung bag ko. Kasi sobrang mabigat and mahirap here dahil basta bumaba. So wait lang, bababa muna ako. And then magti-take tayo ng pictures and videos here. Para mapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung falls ito. Grabe guys, sobrang lakas ng tubig compare kanina. Kasi din sa Valfredo, it's really different din yung current ng tubig. Kaya medyo mas malakas nung bumaba ako dito compare kanina. As in parang umuulan na dahil sa anong tawag ito? But anyway, we can go down a little bit. So may hagdan tayo para malapit tayo sa falls. Pero ayaw na natin maligo guys dahil naiwan din natin yung mga gamit natin sa taas. So let's try na sa malapitan. Mas okay dito kasi wala siyang tubig na parang umuulan. So we can take a lot of pictures here and videos and some, you know. So guys, pabalik na tayo dahil tayo lang mag-isa dito. But anyway, I don't know kung anong meron dito sa ilalim. It might be CR or anything, but doon na tayo mag-CR sa taas. Doon na tayo mag-wash and everything. So thank you Lord for this kind of view, for this kind of opportunity na ma-witness itong ganda ng one of the likas ng Pilipinas, or yes, the beauty of nature.
Hindi, kumana.
As in, tudo-tudo ang ano. Sige tita, thank you. Actually, nagkento malong ko dito tita para mag-video kay ma-start ko vlog.
Wow, I love it.
Basi kasi yung magay.
Hello, welcome to Magasoko.
Hello. Your name ganita eh?
Si Ma'am Eden.
Ma'am Eden.
Ang
Ikaw yan, sir. Sir,
ano mo na ko i-add friend mo na ko i-para support ko na mo nga ang ari.
Thank you, good. Thank you, good, ma'am, sir. Mauna ako, bye-bye. Halong man ka mo, ma'am, sir. Enjoy. Enjoy, man. Actually, guys, sila yung kausap ko kanina sa local dito sila. Hindi na ko lang nalaman na teacher pala sila. But, you know, dahil isa din to sa mga sinabi ko or wish ko na sana makausap tayo ng mga locals. Maliligo muna tayo ng saglit before going to the CR para magbandaw. This is very quick, guys. Very quick lang. Dahil basang-basa tayo sa pawis. So before I will end this video, guys, I will just let you know how much yung fare natin and with entrances. So and also I can give you advices as well that what you need to do in order for you to enjoy your vacation going to Mag-Asa Falls. So the first is yung nagasto natin for the fare and entrances. So going to Mag-Asa Falls from Bacolod City, I only pay 155 pesos in the series bus. So going to Kabangkalan Terminal. And after that, sumakay lang ako ng tricycle papuntang public market. That is only 15 pesos. And going to public market, sasakay ka lang ng sasakyan or jeep. That is only cost 30 pesos going to Sakayan to Mag-Asa Falls. And then after that, sumakay lang ako ng habal-habal. That is only cost 120 pesos. And for the entrances in Mag-Asa Falls is only 50 pesos. And for Wilfredo's is only 15 pesos. So the total papunta at pabalik, that is only cost 705 pesos. And actually the best advice that I can give you guys, if you go there, all you have to do is magbaon na lang talaga ng mga luto na pagkain or ready to eat na mga pagkain, dahil yun nga, para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung vacation nyo, and at the same time less din yung mga tatrabahuin nyo pag ando na kayo. And also, yung lutuan doon is only grill lang. So, mahirap kayong magluto doon unless if magdala kayo ng mga portables nyo na lutuan. And yung travel time din kasi is 2 to 3 hours or might be 4 hours. So, mas better na mas maaga kayo pumunta if ever na yun yung place na gusto nyong puntahan. And that's it for today's video. So I hope that you enjoy our trip. Also, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and like this video, and comment as well any suggestion that you want na gagawin natin for the next vlog natin. So I hope that you enjoy, and see you guys on the next vlog. Goodbye. God bless. Thanks.